Hello, everyone. I'm David Miller, and I'm going to read a poem from my book, Bend in the Stair. The poem is titled 3 Hearts. The pelican tips its fish-filled gut bucket bill to its breast to press out the last morsels. The Dalmatian kind rests its blood-red pouch sagging crimson on its chest. The old religious made Christ of these. They saw mother birds pierce their hearts raw open to feed their fainting young. If someone pulls a night blanket's extra thickness above his heart, is it that he lacks a piece of quartz to lull the ache? If at the morning table, easing eyes on the blue stoneware lamp, he rests a hand an extra minute over that place near the breastbone, is the hand a shield, armor wrapped against an average cliff-edge day, or a motionless caress, an embrace of coming strikes, punctures, spills? The esoteric heart is called anahata, unstruck. It sounds without collision. Unhurt, it opens bare to all assaults. Unbeaten, say the mystics. Such image halos the muscle, certain in the chest, that beats itself till death. Thank you.